I just wanted to make a short video here to show people what I did to make my LED turn signals work on my bike. I used the Trident. If this will focus. It's the EP34. There we go. And on this xs400, it's an 81. This would connect right into the connector. It would plug right in, and you could simply cut the yellow and green wire and wire that to ground. I didn't want to cut mine, so I made little jumpers to connect it, and then just connected the terminal wired B for black right to ground. And as you can see, my blinker blinks no problem, bright at a nice rate. So that's what I did. I hope that helps.